So this afternoon we're working on a 2009 Chevy Silverado. It's a 1500 extended cab 4x4, and it's here for a power steering leak. And it was leaking at this high pressure line where it goes into the steering gear right here. So I ordered up a return line because it comes with the two little square seals that you need. And here's what I took out. Now this is what was in there. You can see that the seals are destroyed. And this is what I've got to put in, but they don't fit. This is the new seals. They're supposed to insert in the hole, and they're too big. They're a 1/2 inch diameter on the outside of this seal, not including that rib. And that doesn't fit into that port. So I'm not sure what's going on here. I looked to see if there's an additional option, and doesn't list any other options. The steering gear looks original, it's never been replaced, but the power steering pressure hose has been replaced. And that's why it's leaking, because it's been disturbed. Look and see if I go back to 2008 if there's a difference. So I found the part number for the two seals, 70018. And they sell for like $80. They give you 4 little rubber seals like that. That's insane. I ordered this 80618 return hose, and it comes with those two seals, and it's only like $38, but they don't fit. Yet I don't see anything different. It's the same part number for 2009. Maybe I'll try 2010. So here's the same problem. For 2010, it still calls for the 70018 and the same return hose. I'm going to have a closer look at those ports. So, mystery solved. Whoever did these hoses last time didn't take the old seals out. So that's the remainder of the old seals. They were just like a aluminum ring. Actually, they're not. They're steel. And then they put the new seals on the pipe and just jammed them in there and destroyed the new seals. So I've got the new seals in there now. They just slipped right in nice and easy. So just a matter of pushing the hoses in with the clamp and reassembling and refilling the system. But again, just a note here, if you need those two seals, rather than buying this kit for $80, just buy the power steering return hose. It's like less than half the price, and it comes with those two seals that you need because you disturb it, and you get this bonus hose and that you can save or use or install. But buying the hose, the return hose with the two seals, is cheaper than buying. You don't need 4 seals. I don't know why this kit comes with 4 seals. I don't understand why it would come with 4. Well, it doesn't matter. I hope this helps somebody else out.